kaweefube ono ow'okugoba okwebaka mu mbiruka.
This effort or struggle for erasing slumberness or sleeping in parishes
must continue and get rid of all lack of income in the villages.
kirina okugenda mu maaso tugobe obwavu mu byalo.
Buli muluka abakulembeze ba parliament mulina okumanya omuluka guno waluma amaka meeka.
Each MP should know the number of homes in a parish
ameka gayingidde mu kugoba bwavu
and how many homes are in the money economy
ameka gakyali mu kwebaka.
and how many are still slumbering.
We don't want tetwagala okubeerawo twogera bwogezi awatali bwino.
It shouldn't be a song, but there must be evidence backed by numbers.
Now ebyebulukwe wano ebyenyanja,
the issue of fish or fishery, fishing
in Buyukwe here,
Buyoko wano
ebitundu ebirala ebiri kumpi n'ennyanja,
and other parts of the country, lake shores.
mulina okukkiriza
You've got to accept.
nti n'enamboole ejjula.
You've got to agree that even Nambole can be filled to capacity. If there is a match,
abantu baguza tiketi,
they sell tickets,
naye batuuka ku kiseera kugamba nti nambe eyitiridde tetukyakkiriza omuntu kuyingira.
but there comes a time and the organizers say we are no longer selling or issuing tickets because we are overwhelmed by the numbers.
N'olwekyo omujjuzo ku nnyanja gulina okuba n'ekikomo.
Therefore, there must be a limit at the lake or the water bodies.
Abantu bameeka abasobola kuvuba kyenkanawa?
How many people should be involved in the fishing industry?
And for how much? By how much?
Era nga bali bameka bafuna mmeka
bavuba kyenkanawa?
bavuba how much are they fishing or collecting from the water bodies?
If you have peace, then you are able to tilt your land. So with the peace and security, Ugandans are able to eat food, because food security is the most fundamental. Many countries do not have food, and many governments collapse because of food security. Because of the peace and security, Ugandans cannot sleep hungry because they are able to tilt their land. And we congratulate the workers who are farming, the 72% that started 10 years ago, now 39% in agriculture. We congratulate you today as the workers in the agricultural sector for sustaining Uganda with the food that we eat. Your Excellency, the second issue is that the micro and macroeconomic policy that has been put in place has sustained job creation. Industrial park, I'm glad that we are here in Buikwe, where the growth of industry in this district has extended to so many investors bringing industries in this area. We know through the microeconomic policy, we have been able to extend affordable capital to most of our women and youth, to most of our small, medium entrepreneurs that has created jobs in Uganda.
To begin with, the public service pension scheme, which is taking off in July this year. We thank you very much, sir, and we believe our public servants who retire will no longer suffer. We also want to thank you for accepting to raise the threshold for pay as you earn to 350,000. At least that will allow the lowest worker to go home with some money. Your Excellency, sir, I thank you also for the reforms in the Kampala Capital City Authority. However, there is something little that needs to be done about the lowest worker in KCCA, who still earns 6,000 shillings a day, which totals up to 180,000 shillings in a month.